Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sublimate baseball caps and skinny tumblers. For this project, I will be using the eenour 2-in-1 tumbler and hat press, a printer with sublimation ink. I will be using my Epson EcoTank printer with Hippo sublimation ink and paper. Sublimation tumblers. I will be using 20-ounce sublimation skinny tumblers from Hippo. Sublimation baseball caps. These ones are from Amazon. Heat gloves and heat-resistant tape. I will link all the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. To print the sublimation designs, I'm going to be using the free graphic design program Inkscape. And the free sublimation designs I will be using for this tutorial can be downloaded from my blog. Find the link in the video description below. I'm going to start with the tutorial, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. This is the template I'm going to be printing to sublimate the skinny tumbler, and this one is to sublimate the baseball cap. If you like these designs, visit my blog, daisymultifacetica.com. If you don't have Inkscape yet and would like to give it a try, download it from inkscape.org. I'm going to link it in the video description below. Open Inkscape. Go to File, click on Document Properties, and here select the type of documents you're going to be printing. I'm going to select letter size, and in orientation, I'm going to select landscape. Close the window when finished. Now I'm going to show you how to insert the image. Go to File, click on Import. Open the folder where you have your image, select it and open it. And here, click OK. This design is big because it's been saved in high resolution. Select it and we're going to resize it. Go to the size bar above, change it to inches, close the lock and type the measurements. This is the design that I'm going to be using to customize the baseball cap. Do the same process to insert the template to customize the tumbler. The measurements for the design to sublimate a skinny tumbler are 9.5 by 8.3 inches. This free design already have those measurements. Now, the measurements for the design to customize the baseball cap will depend on the size of the baseball cap. For example, the sublimation area of this baseball cap will be 3.5 by 2.5 inches. Select the design, go to the size bar above and type the measurements, 3.5 by 2.5 inches. Now the Barbie-inspired tumbler template comes like this. I'm going to show you how to type a name on top of the template. Click on the A on the left, then click on the Canva and start typing. To change the font, select the text and click on the T on the right. There you're going to see the list of the fonts that you have downloaded to your computer. If you already know the name of the font, go to the top left corner and type the name of the font. I'm going to be using the Barbie font. I'm going to link all of the fonts used in this tutorial in the video description below. Select the text and rotate it. Change the color using the color palette below. Now I'm going to show you how to add an offset. Select the text, go to Path, then click on Linked Offset. Now click on the second arrow. You will be able to see a little diamond on top of the text. click on it and drag it to the outside to create the desired offset. Select it and change the color using the color palette below. Now I'm going to go ahead and print them. Place the design that you wish to print inside the white area. Click on File, click on Print, select the sublimation printer, go all the way down and click on More Settings. Here, let's make sure it's on letter size or the size that you are printing. On orientation, I'm going to click Landscape. On paper type, I'm going to select Premium Presentation Paper Matte. On quality, I'm going to select High. Click on Print Preview, then go to More Options. And here is very important to select Mirror Image. Click OK, then Print. And this is a preview of how it's going to print. If everything looks okay, click on Print. To print my sublimation designs, I am using my Epson EcoTank printer with Hippo sublimation ink and paper. And here are the printings. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the skinny tumbler. To secure the design, I'm going to be using heat-resistant tape. Before preheating the press, I'm going to place the tumbler inside to adjust the pressure. Remove the tumbler and preheat the machine. This tumbler is going to be pressed at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds. I'm going to press it only once. If the tumbler or mug is not completely covered by the press, you will have to press it twice. Rotate before the second press. It's ready. Remove the tumbler using heat-resistant gloves. Let it cool down and remove the wrap. Let's reveal the design. It's pretty. I love the colors. Believe me, in person look much better than in camera. These are the Hippo sublimation tumblers. I'm going to link them in the video description below. Now I'm going to go ahead and sublimate the baseball cap. I'm going to secure the design using heat-resistant tape. Now I'm going to connect the hot press to the machine. I'm going to press it at 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 seconds. Place a piece of butcher paper on top before pressing. Let's reveal the design. It's beautiful. I love it. As you could see, it was very easy to sublimate the skinny tumbler and the hat using Hippo Sublimation ink and paper and eenour 2-in-1 tumbler and heat press. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.